Hello everyone, this is Khaldan from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Empress Espresso machine. It comes to us with a few issues. It was all about like the pressure, and it needs a tune-up, and it needs a cleaning and calibrating for the grinder, which is done. And when I test the machine, I found out this part, it's the OPV overpressure valve, it's broken. And I did a tune up for the machine, deep clean the group head and replace the group head shower screen and gasket, and give the steam one deep cleaning, and even the water filter get clean. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot after the grinder get cleaned and calibrated. So let's do it. It's in the auto mode now. So see when I put it, I guess in 11 or 12. It's perfect. You can see it here in the green. Just put some more. Okay. You can see the pressure here. It's in the middle of the gray area. It's a great shot with thick crema. So let's test the hot water. That works perfect. And the steamer. There's some water usually in the system. So let's get that off. This is great. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.